Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about two major changes that are happening behind the scenes with the whole Equifax settlement, and quite frankly, it makes sense. But let's go ahead and go straight into it. So for those who haven't heard the news in the past week, it's been viral. You've been seeing videos on it, Facebook posts. Everybody's trying to get their hands on this $125 if it is in fact entitled to them. All right. So here's the deal. 147 million people got their information compromised from the data breach. Okay, so for those who don't know, that's the number that they're talking about, 147 million. Not 147 million dollars. 147 million people got their information compromised. All right, so to compensate people for that, what they did was they allocated as much as $125 per claim that goes through. Here's the problem. Now, I personally have not heard, well, I've heard people have gotten paid, but I'm not saying that they're lying. I have not personally seen with my eyes. Please send me something to our email in the description below if you have already gotten paid, so we can at least verify that. Because people always talk like they got paid, but I need to see proof, okay? But either way, assuming that they have not paid out anything yet, because it has yet to be court approved, by the way, so I don't know why Equifax would pay something out. Well, they wouldn't have to right now. So, but either way, that's another story. Of that 147 million people, if everyone gets the 125, which by the way, only 31 million people, only $31 million is allocated for the $125 per person. So the math does not work out. If all of the 147 million people that have had their information compromised, if they all put in claims, then we will only get 21 cents. Okay, so, and I was like, man, that would be crazy. Now you're probably thinking, there's no way, Calvin, people are going to do 147 million people will go ahead and then start the process of trying to get the claim. You're right. I'm sure 147 million people won't do it, but keep in mind that $125 per person can only take care of, I wrote it down, 248,000 people. Now, let's be totally honest. You guys know that this thing has gone viral. You, your friends, your mom, everybody, right? Everybody trying to get their hands on their free check. I would have to say that we're well over 248,000 people. Let's be totally honest. This ain't got nothing to do with whether you black, whether you white, whether you old, whether you young. Listen, everybody has put in for that settlement for the file a claim, okay? So the thing about it is, I'm just saying, set your expectations and be prepared just in case you don't get the 125. And again, if you know someone that says that they got that 125, please email me. I need to see screenshot proof. And then that way I can at least share that. And I'm not saying people are lying, because people don't lie in 2019, right? So, but either way, I'm just saying, it just doesn't make sense to me that Equifax will start paying people out when they may not have to, because the court hasn't approved the settlement yet. It's just on the table. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. That's number one. Number two, the number two problem that's happening is that people are actually paying to file a claim on these fake websites that look like Equifax.com. All right, so here's the deal. I put the real link on the last video, but there are a lot of fake sites that are doing a pretty good job, and they only charging people like $3 or $5, so very small amounts. People are paying the money to file a claim. Listen, I'm not making this stuff up. It's insane. But either way, those are the two big things that are happening. One, lower your expectations just in case we go over this 248,000 people trying to get this 125. You better believe that we're well over 248. I don't know where the number is, and Equifax most definitely not going to tell us. And if they do, they're probably going to lie about it. But I promise you, in the last week, we are most definitely over that 248 all day long. Okay, let's be real. So, and then of course you got the people that's just watch out for the fake websites. Please please do. All right. So if you like this video, like it. If you want to share this video, make sure you share it, because a lot of people the information is just not right out there. That doesn't mean that everything I say is always accurate and true, but I promise you this video and this channel will always be accurate. In short, we're going to be accurate and we're going to be true. Okay. So, but either way, if you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.